have not here for a bit, like always, but I come with a really cool video. Is how to make, I wanted to do like a 30, to name it like $100 per week, but it really depends on you and your availability and your schedule. And I want to sneeze, but I'm not going to. Yeah, so I would say if you take like one assignment, I understood the assignment. Yeah, so if you take one assignment or shop, so you can make at least like 10 to 20, and if you take like 3 of them, you can make like $30 to $60 a week. And there's some assignment that pays more, so you can actually make $100 a week. When I was in Barrie, I was doing that to get some money, and so it's available everywhere in Canada. But I found out that since I've been in Edmonton, I have a little bit more assignments. That being said, maybe there's more assignment in Barrie, I just don't know because I'm not in Barrie anymore. I'm just like in the Edmonton area. But that being said, I'm gonna leave you with the rest of the video. So here you have iSecret Shop. So this is the app that you use to access all the shops and all the assignments. I will leave a link in this description box below. And here are the assignments that you have. So yeah, so you could you saw the different assignments that there was, and it's not the only one. So you can have, for example, I really like when I had to go to a gym class for free, and I got paid to do that. And you saw the amount, the assignment that you have to do, you saw the amount that you get paid. A really cool thing is that you actually get paid via PayPal. So that's a really like aside. When I was a student, I really like that because it didn't like come into my savings or my checking account. That being said, it's PayPal. You can always make that money go in the savings and checking account, but having a separate account and not seeing that money is really good. And I didn't really like rely on that because it just like never existed for me. But I have other objectives. I have new objectives. I have bank accounts, and I have money coming in. I have more. Yeah, because of the assignments, I have new projects. So that's a really good supplement that you can do in your leisure time because it's really fun. Like the last assignment I had to do was actually to try on dresses for an event, and I was extremely nervous, but I had lots of fun. So I just wanted to put that out there. You do get paid via PayPal, and it's not like a scam because I've done it like legit. I'm not going to tell you something that I've never done and throw you under the bus or like get you in trouble or whatnot. I personally have done it. I got paid for it. It's completely legit. If you want to Google some more, it's another word for it is mystery shopping. That being said, I will come up with another video of how to make more money. I don't advocate for it, and I've never done it, but it's something that is done. It's legal. I will tell you more in my next video. But that being said, my nose is running. One sec. But that being said, I'm very happy I was able to put that video out there because I really wanted to do so. I wish you a great rest of your day, evening, week, whenever you're watching this video, and peace. See you in the next one. Oh yeah, don't forget to like